Hey guys, squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing something different that I haven't done in years. I haven't done since I was a teenager probably, or my early 20s, is wear blonde. I've worn blonde before, but not this, not like a full 630 straight blonde, you know. So we're gonna try something new. So we gotta try new things, right? Stepping out my comfort zone, putting all those black aside. So this company on Amazon sent me this blonde wig. I'm gonna give you all information down in the description, like the link to find this hair if you like it at the end of this video. But it's a 613 lace from GWAAN hair. It's pre-plucked with baby hair, 150 density, Brazilian virgin straight, 20 inch. Yeah, it looks really good in the picture, so let's see. As you can see, my favorite color, pink. The packaging is cute. It's a little drawstring bag. Alright, so this is the wig. Alright, it's body wave. It got a body wave going to it. Alright, and the wig cap, you know, to match the scalp. And this is to hold the wig together, you know, the stuffing and all these things. We're gonna take those out. Oh, the baby ear already cut. Nice. And it said it's already pre-plucked. It look, yeah. Look like it already pre-plucked. I might do a little work on it myself, you know, and stuff, but blonde. Your girl going blonde. Talk to me nice. So I have my little mannequin head over here. Wait, hold up. This looks different. Oh, this is not a full lace. It says full lace. Not really. Alright, so this is how it came. I'm gonna show you guys exactly. So alright, I guess it's just like it's just the frontal is the lace only. This whole time I thought it was a full lace, but I guess not. So it's just right here in the front, this little piece right here, but it has two combs right here. I think this would be the sides, and there's a comb on the inside right here, and then another comb at the bottom right here. Let's see how this works out. So I'm gonna pin it down. Sorry, me just a chicken here. It's a girl. I'm so sorry. Alright, so I should have on the head and stuff. Let me go through and see if I could do a little plucking, you know. Not too much, just a little bit. Alright, so guys, I would use one or curling iron to curl it, but I said I want to try the flexi rods and see if it actually works, because I want like a full curly look, like big curls and stuff. Let's see if I can actually get that look, but we're gonna try them out. I gave my mom the purple ones, I think, so I'm gonna just use pink and purple since I don't have much purple. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing a middle part for this style. I'm gonna be using a little bit of water. And I have the Aunt Jackie's First Patrol setting mousse. I'm just using the mousse that I have on spot right now. I usually use the Lotta Body setting foaming mousse. That's my favorite mousse, but I ran out of that one, so this is what I'm using. Just a little bit. I don't think I need the water, but throughout the hairstyle we'll see. And we're just gonna keep going. Also guys, it all depends on the direction that you roll the hair. That's the direction the curls is gonna fall. So if you want it to fall on the inside, you gotta roll on the inside. If you want it to go on the outside in your face, you roll on the outside. I'm doing it inside. So I ran out of pink on the last one, so I'm just using the blue one since it's the same size as the pink one. Alright, so as you can see, I'm all done. And like I did a middle part, not sure if I'm going to keep the middle part when I have it on. So I'm going to let it dry overnight and then I'll be back tomorrow to install. Wagwan KK squad, so it's the next morning and I'm gonna be using the eyebrow razor to cut the lace off. I realize when I use a scissors to cut the lace, it doesn't look natural, but the eyebrow razor give it a more natural look. It doesn't look straight across, you know. So now I'm gonna be removing my flexi rods, and listen, I am surprised. Because these, why am I even surprised? When I had relaxed hair, this is exactly how my curls used to come out. Like, just popping. Just listen. Keep watching. You'll see these curls. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and put my stocking cap on. I was in a rush. We were in a rush because we had to go to the beach to watch this air show, and I couldn't do this whole stocking cap method business, so I just went ahead, threw the wig on, did what I had to do, and yeah, this is the install, and keep watching to see what really happened. So KK squad, I wasn't gonna upload this video because I did not like my install. As you can see in previous clips, that my face wasn't pleased by how the wig looked on my head. The sides were not looking cute because it's not a full lace wig, it's just a frontal with on a regular wig. And I did not like how the curls were falling, like the middle part and everything. But then I thought to myself and decided that I am gonna be living my truth, not only in my everyday life but also on YouTube. Like, if I can't post my failed videos, then it doesn't make sense. Like, not everything is gonna be perfect. Like, yes, people make mistakes and that's gonna happen, so why not still post my video? Because the straight to curly came out perfect, like my curls were on point, and I still wore it that day for a couple of hours because I had to go to a air and sea show on the beach. So this is how it came out, as you see in the picture right here. It's not the best, it's not perfect. I feel like if it was a full lace wig, it would have came out more cute, but this is it, guys. I still feel like this could be a video to post, and if you guys still want to buy the wig, you can, but for me, I prefer to have a full lace instead of just a frontal. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos, and also please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and please remember to live your truth. Live your truth. Not only show the perfect things on the internet, but also show that, you know, people make mistakes and other people can learn from it as well. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.